Here I have Huawei Mate 50 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take a live photo or motion photo on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal photo mode and tap on this icon here. So it's called moving picture on this device, okay? Could be moving picture for me. There you had like tutorial for this mode. If you don't really understand what I'm going to point out right now, you can just stop the video and read it on the screen here. So live photo works the way that when you take photo, but it's some object in motion or just your hands moving. Okay, I'm gonna show you. One example will be better than tons of my words just explaining. Okay, so let's take a few of these moving pictures. So I just move this flower and take picture of it while moving. And now, what are these pictures about? You just open them in gallery and they seem to be just normal still pictures. But if you will hold your finger on them, they're gonna move, as you can see. So it's not a picture, but a video actually. Quite unbelievable. So yeah, when you open them, they slightly move, and when you hold the finger on them, they move even more. So yeah, that's the way it works. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.